have just finished installing a new front door, window, and some siding, sidewall shingles to really spruce up the front of this house and give it a little bit more curb appeal. So let's flip the camera around and see what we've been up to. Okay, so we have installed new sidewall shingles. The window trim is existing and has been kept. The siding below has all been kept, and so this is the setup we have at the front door here to get all of the work done. So we have brand new door, which we'll get a better shot of when there's not scaffolding in the way. Absolutely beautiful sage green color, glorious. We always get our doors finished off site. We find that it provides a much better finish product at the end of the day. And then up here, we're getting around the bay window and we're working our way around to the back of the deck. I would show you the inside of the house, but the homeowners are here and they're working away and they weren't expecting me. So we will see what they have done during their move-in at another time and date. Thanks so much for watching.